Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge the AC in your Cadillac SRX. A properly functioning air conditioning system is essential for comfort, especially during warmer weather. This process can help restore cool air if your system is blowing warm. Before starting, prioritize your safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. This simple maintenance can significantly improve your driving experience. To begin, gather your necessary tools. You will need an AC recharge kit specifically designed for R134A refrigerant, which is common for many Cadillac SRX models. Make sure your kit includes a pressure gauge to monitor the system accurately. Don't forget your safety glasses and a pair of working gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the process. Next, locate the low-pressure service port on your Cadillac SRX. This port is usually found on the larger diameter aluminum AC line, often near the firewall or on the accumulator. It's the only port your recharge kit's connector will fit. Once identified, remove the protective cap and firmly attach the kit's hose to the low-pressure port, ensuring a tight seal. With the kit connected, start your engine and turn the AC to its coldest setting with the fan on high. Slowly add the refrigerant by pressing the trigger on the can, shaking it gently as you go. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge. You are aiming for a low side pressure reading between 30 and 40 pounds per square inch. Once the desired pressure is reached, disconnect the kit and securely replace the port cap.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.